So over here you can see that I have a form, and if you want to format around the form cells and text, then you can go around onto the view menu right here and then go to layout view. So once you do that, you can select out the cells as you can see right here. So you can go around into design, and in theme you can go around and select out different themes of your choice, and the themes will be added in right here as you can see, and you can see the font change and so forth that is being applied. If you want to go around and edit this individually, you can also go around, select out everything right here. Let's just go around over here into format, and here what you can do is you can select another font of your choice just like this, and then change the color of the text right here just like this, and also change the background right here. So you can give the cells and fonts the look you want as you can see right here. You can go around over here as well. You can select out different font right here, and you can go around, increase out its size right here and so forth, and they remain linked to the original table right here just like this. So you can go around over here, select out the color of your choice and so forth. So now you can see that the outlook of this has changed around. So you can go around over here as well. Let me insert out something, and here let me merge these out. So let me just go around and then select these cells out right here, merge these out, and what you can do is you can resize this. You can go around over here onto format and then work around with background and so forth for over here as well. So you can go around over here, select out, let's say for example, a background, and say this is list of data. So I'm just going to go around, type in list of data right here. Let's go around and bold this out right here. Select the font out, and you can arrange it in different ways according to how you like it as well. So let me just go around right here, select this out right here, go to format, let's change around the font color right here, and let's increase around the font size right here as you can see. So if I were to go around now from design view to form view, this is what you have. You can go around over here, go right side and left side, and you can see that this form's outlook has been changed out according to how you like it, and it looks much better for presenting rather than having a plain old text. So that is how you can format form cells and text inside of MS Access table forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.